Hi, for question number 3, the curve has polar equation r is equal to cos 2 theta for negative pi and 4 to pi and 4. Sketch C. Now, if you're familiar with the rose curve, you will understand that if this is 1, the curve basically goes like this, all the way down, here up, and then goes like this, all the way here, up again, and then down here, and here. And basically from here to here we're looking at an angle of pi and 4, and then this is negative pi and 4. So this is what is needed for this question. Now this is going to be our answer. Therefore over here the curve is going to go from here to there. Alright, so we have something like this. Okay, and it goes there. Alright, so here we are for this sketch of this polar curve. And for the second part we need to find the area enclosed by this polar curve. And if we have to find the area, this is very easy. It's kind of straightforward. We use the formula area is equal to half the integral of r square d theta in our case, and limits going from alpha to beta. And we're looking at half of the integral of cos square 2 theta d theta, because that's our equation, cos 2 theta, square here, square there. And of course this is from negative pi and 4 to pi and 4. And so if we go further, and we're going to end up with here half, and in brackets, using the double angle formula, cos square 2 theta. Now we know that cos square x from the double angle formula is half into 1 plus cos of 2x. Using this, we have half into 1 plus, because the angle is being doubled, if this is x, this is 2x, and this is 2x, that becomes 4x. In our case it's 2 theta. Let me just bracket this. So we are looking at then cos of 4 theta. And bracketing all that, simplifying our integral, we reach 1/4 into the integral of 1 plus cos 4 theta d theta. This is again 1/4 of theta, plus if you integrate cos you're going to get sine, and over here 1/4 of sine 4 theta. Now this is our full integral, and the limits again from what we've been given, from minus pi and 4 to pi and 4. Substituting the limits, it's not very difficult. You just have to say 1/4 into pi and 4, alright, plus 1/4 sine of pi and 4 times 4 is basically pi. Okay, subtracting 1/4 again, and here you've got negative pi and 4 plus 1/4 sine of negative pi and 4 times 4 is negative pi. And simplifying further, is pi and 16, this here is 0, again this here is 0. So you got minus, and minus becomes plus, and that's pi and 16 again. So all of that's going to come to pi upon 8. So this is our area. And if you were to give this area in as a number, it's going to be 0.393 units square. Well, you can give any of those in the exams. And here we are for the second part. Now for the third part of the question, we need to find a Cartesian equation of C. Remember that this is our polar equation, r is equal to cos of 2 theta. We can use the double angle formula here. It's saying that r is equal to the cos square theta minus sine square theta. And what do we know? We know that x is equal to r cos of theta, and y is equal to r sine of theta. So over here we've got then r is equal to cos square theta, which is then let us see. Cos is equal to x over r. The r can come this side, so this can be x over r, and because it is all squared we can square it. And similarly the sine theta is equal to y divided by r, so I got y over r all squared. And from here I can have x squared minus y squared over the common denominator of r squared. And basically r squared can go in this side, so I got then r squared times r is equal to x squared minus y squared. What is r squared? Now we know that r squared is equal to x squared plus y squared. So this is from here. Okay, so this is r, this is x, and this is y. Okay, and r squared is equal to x squared plus y squared, so we can replace that by x squared plus y squared, bracket it, and then you got r. And what is r? From here we know that r is going to be equal to x squared plus y squared. You send the square on the other side, becomes the square root, so that's power half. So we have then x, this is power 1 basically, x squared plus y squared to the power of half is equal to x squared minus y squared. Multiply these two, you use the law of indices, so you're going to get x squared plus y squared to the power of 1 plus half, which is 3 over 2, is equal to x squared minus y squared. Here we are. This is our Cartesian equation of C. Done.